Hi.
Hi, Aaron.
Hi.
Nice
Aaron.
to meet you. Dan.
Nice to meet you.
Good,
Yeah.
good to be here. All right, guys.
Good morning.
This is it. Good morning. This is it.
This is it.
This
So,
is the last day.
the 6th build day for Sarge. We were supposed to do it a couple weeks ago, but as many of you know, my wife had a baby much sooner than expected, so we had to cancel it. But we're doing it on a Saturday. Get him done, get him ready to rock and roll for August 17th for the hunt. A lot of stuff to do today. It's going to be a little nuts. We're going to try and get as much done as we can.
What's some of the stuff we're running through today?
We're going to try and get all the brake lines run. We're going to try and get the rest of the front suspension, steering, track bar, all that stuff, all the new stuff on. I'm going to do a quick alignment with it, make sure everything's cool. Juan is in the back working on the rear lift. That's going to be a pain because it's rusty and bolts are breaking, so we're going to have to figure some stuff out. But we're trying to get it finished up today.
Well, you're already ready. We're
Boom.
ready. They're ready. They're
Rock
already
and roll.
working. Let's
Rock
get
and
started.
Yeah, we're going to end up reusing this one. This one, that.
If it's there?
I think I have new ones, so if you have to break it off, don't worry about it. Yep.
Should I try
All
and
right.
get there?
Let me grab that pickle fork. Like every guy in his garage, I know where everything is. It's just not very organized really well. Which one do you need?
This one. Trying to separate here, so we gotta get in between there. Since you guys are saving that shock, take that bolt, this bolt, drop the whole thing.
Well,
in
the
one.
only problem is I don't have a shock to put on there.
Almost like you like saving. Oh, you can still put it all together, and when you get the shock thrown
Yeah,
down.
shouldn't be too hard.
No,
All right.
so just take that bolt out.
Yeah, Nathan, go ahead and try. We didn't get that out yet, though.
Nope. You told me to get the 4 bolts and then
Yeah,
try
let's
to
get
separate
this one
that.
next. Pitman arm. It's gonna be a pain, but we'll get it. That one should come off because it's been covered in grease for Lord knows how long. These are Bluetooth sway bars. They're Bluetooth connected. You want a hanger or a stand one? I guess you don't need it since the other side's still holding it up. Oh yeah, dude, good job. I love you guys. We do this for you. 10 signups for the hunt right now. So those of you who haven't signed up yet, you got good odds if you can figure it all out. You got good odds. Real good odds. I was gonna say, when we did this the other day, when I took the bolt out to do, because we were attempting it, it didn't go in until I had it on the floor.
It might not. That's what
Right.
I might
That's fine. So let's pull this out.
Yeah, you can.
Put
We
that-
tried by
yeah.
hoping to lift up that pumpkin on that axle, but
Put that side in it, and then we'll let it hang, and we'll do it on the floor. Because I have a feeling it'll be easier to get this in than it would be the other side. It's probably a 14. Yeah, it's probably a 14. So you can turn that.
All right, guys, we are here with the one and only Joe Keene. All right, Joe, what do you think of the project so far?
well, you told me we were going to come over here, hang out, and have some fun,
You know.
and you put me to work. I even got some blood, a little bit of DNA on this vehicle. So whoever gets it has got my DNA somewhere on this vehicle. I'm not going to say where, but I got dirty.
Blood, sweat, grease.
This is a great build, though. I really like what you guys are doing for the community here. I like that you're getting all these people involved, even the young ones that are learning a little bit. This is a lot of fun, and it's great for the community, and it's great for the community to know about Wingman Garage. And this is a great service that's available here for people to use when they need a lift or need a wingman like Aaron.
Yeah.
Like me. Like him, yeah.
Well, I tell you what, thank you so much
Thank you
for
for
coming
having
out.
me.
It's
This has
been a
great.
blast. Yeah,
And then hopefully you'll invite me again.
yeah, absolutely.
Sounds
All right,
great.
Guys, Joe Keene, let's keep going.
Got it.
The only problem is we gotta lift it. These aren't long enough. Otherwise, perfectly fine.
Perfectly fine.
Oh yeah, dude.
buddy.
Look at that.
Danny, how do you feel about drum brakes?
They're great. They're so much better than normal brakes.
So what's that little piece called? Brake cylinder. So it takes hydraulic pressure coming in from the back, and there's two pistons on either side that push out.
Okay.
And that pushes, when the drums are sitting here, that pushes the drums out up against the shoes. Pushes the shoes out against the drum, and that's what stops.
How many times did they have to take those stupid drum brakes off the back?
So the drum brakes were such a pain in the butt.
Yeah.
They had to take it off 8 times. 8 times.
That's ridiculous.
It's crazy. But they got it.
They got it.
And now the drums are on, and once we get the lines in and bled, this thing is going to be ready for the racetrack.
Let's go.
Or at least the trail.
Are you getting the brake light on?
Yes. It is in. It started, yeah.
You guys might see me shed a tear if we get all this done today. There's no way I could have done this by myself.
Gosh, there's so much.
Yeah.
That tool. Once you bend and start.
You want to see me bend it?
Yeah. Just doing it by hand, eh?
Yep. I've done this a lot.
I will say, you're doing better than I thought you were.
Thank you. No faith. He's got no faith.
That's good enough.
Good enough for government work.
Clip it in back here.
Plenty of slack. Plenty of slack. Perfect.
Just clipped in the back. There's another clip.
There is another clip. Yeah, right there, midline.
Yep.
It's like right center.